With a budget between 1.2 million and 1.3 million, can we still get a newly renovated freehold in a top-ranked school zone in Richmond Hill or Markham? Hi, my name is Priscilla. I'm your real estate broker in GTA. Today, I'll continue to show freehold townhouses and semi-detached to a couple from Montreal. They plan to move to the Greater Toronto areas to settle, but at the same time want to make a purchase with good future investment opportunities. Before looking at these properties, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss my weekly real estate knowledge sharing and some wonderful virtual tours. See you later. Let's take a look at the neighborhood. We are in Bayview Glen community in Richmond Hill. This community is very calm and tranquil. We have Loblaws grocery store at the end of the street, very close. Let's get inside this semi-detached house. After we open the door, on the left, we have a living room. It's not very wide, but it's pretty spacious. The advantage of this property is that it's a corner unit. It means that we have windows on both sides and it allows a lot of natural light to come in. Next to the living room is the dining room. Let's look again from this angle at the dining room and the living room. This is a 9-foot ceiling. It gives the feeling of great openness and relaxation. Following the corridor on the left, we have a powder room. This powder room is one of the biggest that I've seen. The sink is very large and we have a big window. It really adds credit to the property. Next is the family room. In this property, the living room and the family room are separated. The living room is for the guests, and the family room is for the owners to relax and watch TV. On the right side, we have a kitchen. The kitchen is totally renovated. It's remodeled and the cooktop is customized to the countertop. The cooktop is using natural gas, which is very appealing to many Asian families. Behind me, we have the backyard. For a semi-detached house, this backyard is very big. The deck is already installed, and because this is a corner unit, this backyard is bigger than most of our neighbors. It's very beautiful. I think that this property will receive a lot of offers on the bidding day. Let's have a look from this angle: breakfast area, kitchen, and family room. All right, let's go to the second floor. The staircase has been renovated too with hardwood. The floor is also hardwood, mahogany color. Let's start with the right side. The first bedroom has an average size 140 to 150 square feet. There's a closet behind this door. The next room is the master bedroom. For a master bedroom, it's not so big, about 170 to 180 square foot. We have a lot of windows because we are a corner unit. This is the master bathroom. The size is quite big. Here we can see that this property has a certain age because the shower's design reflects the 90s. The bathtub and the shower is separated. The sink is very wide though. It's very convenient to use. The master bedroom has also a walk-in closet with a lot of organizer. This is the second floor washroom. It also has a big window. This is no bathtub, but there is a very big shower. Then this is the third bedroom. The bedroom is pretty big. It is organized in two sections. Bed and studying desk, and on the side we have two dressers and a closet behind the door. We have windows on both sides. Let's look at the basement in the end. This basement is finished, but the floor is pretty basic with laminate flooring. This is the laundry room. And over there is the entertainment room. There is a bar at the corner. The layout is very good. It's almost like a studio, with an office deck, a bed, TV, and speakers. This is the end of today's video. If you are interested in any property type, neighborhood, or price range, please feel welcome to talk to me. I'll be more than happy to arrange showings or take virtual tour videos for you. My service is 100% free. See you in next video.